My name is Zubair. For most of my life, I believed that promises were only made to other people. If I promised my friends something, I tried to keep it. If I promised my parents something, I felt responsible. But when it came to promises I made to myself, it was different. I broke them easily. I will wake up early tomorrow. I didn't. I will practice English every day. I stopped after 3 days. I will stop wasting time. Yet I continued doing the same things. At first, these broken promises seemed small, but slowly they created a bigger problem. I stopped trusting myself. One evening, I was preparing a study plan. I wrote many goals: learn English daily, read books regularly, exercise every morning. The plan looked impressive, but deep inside, I had a strange feeling. A voice in my mind said, "You probably won't follow it." That thought shocked me. Why was my own mind doubting me? Then I realized the truth. I had disappointed myself too many times. My mind no longer trusted my words. The next day, I visited a library near my house. While looking through books, I met an elderly man who often visited the library. He noticed the notebook in my hand and asked, "What are you writing?" I showed him my goals. He smiled and said, "Goals are good." Then he asked,